Most of their stuff is piled all on.
I'm gonna guess if anybody's got their roof covered already, they're good.
Junk, car, both ways.
Yeah, call me and let me know.
Look at that. Satellite's still fine.
Yeah.
Keep the whole roof off and the satellite's still fine.
Yeah. As you get down here, you'll see like brick walls that just crumbled.
It's just unbelievable.
Yeah. We were helping this guy yesterday.
Now what exactly do the numbers mean again? I know the bottom one's deaths.
Yeah, I don't know what the rest of it.
Left side is who did it. Top one's date.